Okay, so we turn this on, and I am going to look at my recipe. And so I see I need 3.9 ounces of lye. Now this whole time, the oil is still heating up in the crock pot. So I'm going to very carefully pour this out. And I got this lye on Amazon. And you know, if there are chunks or pieces as you're going about doing this, that's fine. It will dissolve in the water. It also helps if you get a lye that is made for soap making, because in those instances, they tend to have granules that are easier to dissolve in water. So I went a little bit over my 3.9, so I'm going to take out some lye. And I need to remove 0.009. So got 0.02 left of flakes to remove. Okay, 3.88. For me, that is close enough. And now I'm going to mix together the lye and the water in this separate container. So as I mentioned, this is going to cause a chemical reaction that will produce a lot of heat and some stinky smells that will dissipate. But it's important to do this outdoors or next to a window, and I am right next to a window right now. Another extremely important thing to remember is that you always pour the flakes of lye into water, and you never pour water into lye. If you do that, you will cause a fire. All right, so now I'm going to very gently mix together the lye and the water. And I am using this knife, and I am keeping my nose and my head far away as I mix this, and I do feel that it is getting warmer. Ooh, I smell it too. This lye and water solution is very hot to the touch right now. It's very hot to the touch. And the steam and the vapors have already dissipated. The steam and vapors have already dissipated, and now I am just letting the rest of the smell dissipate into the air outside, and then in a few moments we'll get to the next step.